on to unity. And unity is the idea of belonging to a tribe, that we feel more influenced or want to do business with or engage more with people who are of the same tribe. So if you think of liking, right? Liking is we say yes to people who are similar to us. Unity, we say yes to people who belong to us. Okay? Who belong to us. A lot of these examples come from wartime, and they're pretty negative examples. And this one is of someone in a concentration camp or a POW camp. It was in World War II, and the idea was that when somebody behaved badly, everybody was punished. And the way they would be punished is they would line everybody up, and then they would walk down the line and kill every 10th person. So you go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, boom. Right? So they would kill the 10th person. And these were not nice people, right? These were very aggressive, murderous types of people. Militaristic people. And they saw the people that they were killing as basically animals. And at one point, this guy's going down, and he gets to the 10th person, and he shoots the 11th. And then somebody said, well, the other guy was with him. I said, look, I noticed you didn't shoot the 10th prisoner. Why? He said, because I knew the guy from before. He was from my neighborhood. Right? We belong together. Even in that situation, the idea that we were from the same place made it difficult in the most aggressive of circumstances to hate that other person or to take that negative action. Now, on the positive side, we have Charles Ponzi, who, I don't know, maybe not the most positive example, but he started the first, get this, Ponzi scheme. And, he did this by appealing to Italian immigrants like him. And he said, hey, I'm an Italian immigrant. You're an Italian immigrant. Come invest with me so that we can all make more money. And that's how he created his first Ponzi scheme, brought everybody in, and eventually found himself in jail. And this idea of ethnicity actually plays out all over the place. So if you go to a restaurant and look at waiters in restaurants, waiters tend to get better tips from their patrons who are of the same ethnic background. So what this means isn't that you have to go change your ethnicity, right? Or move. What it does mean is that you have to start to understand better how you connect with your clients. So if you look at these different pictures, like how do these describe your relationship with your audience, with your customer, with the people that you're trying to influence best? Because the closer they are together, the more they overlap, the more they are going to see themselves as the same as you, and the easier it's going to be for them to take the action that you want them to take. Now, we call this creating your unassailable competitive advantage. The more you get to know your customer, the harder it is for them to leave. The more they like you, the more they want to do business with you. So just getting close to and defining yourself as in the same boat as your customer is huge. And one way you can do that is actually with co-creation. So in a study, they looked at co-creation and how people can work together on creating products. And what they found was when people created things together, they saw the ideas 50% more favorably than groups who had not created the concepts together or created the products or created the ideas together. Right? So working together increases that idea of unity. We're in the same boat. And brings us together, making things appear more favorable. And the way that you can do this in your day-to-day actions is that instead of asking for opinions, you want to ask for advice. One way to create that co-creation is you ask for advice. But instead of asking for an opinion, which sort of indicates, hey, we're others or you're outside, you ask for advice, which is more about the self and more about us. And you end up creating a partnership with the people that you want to influence, bringing them into your tribe, making it more likely they want to take the actions that you want them to take. So unity, if they see you as a part of the same tribe, trust increases. So get closer to your customer. Use their language, co-create, and ask for advice. And so the next exercise in the workbook is really to take this unity idea and think about how you can bring that into your marketing, into your business, to increase your influence with your customers, prospects, employees.